See Weather Lab. Here's Eric's forecast.
Hope you got outside and took advantage of the sunshine today, because it is going to be a different story for our Sunday as I'm tracking a cold front that'll be arriving by about 7, 8 o'clock tomorrow morning, bringing us a good chance for some scattered showers, even a few thunderstorms, some of which could be on the strong to severe side. A little bit of a break Monday before another front arrives late Monday into Tuesday. So a very unsettled week ahead with a lot of fronts moving into Acadiana, bringing us several rounds of rain. We'll take a look across the country and see where that latest front is. Right now, it's beginning to push through the Dallas-Fort Worth area and East Texas. You can see that line extending all the way up into Missouri. This is associated with that cold front that'll be quickly racing our way. This system is moving at a good clip, anywhere from about 20 to 30 miles per hour. And you are seeing some of those darker shades showing up. No severe weather right now. We did have an earlier severe thunderstorm warning just to the west of Dallas, but within the last several hours, haven't been seeing any warnings, but that could change as it gets closer to us, taps into a little bit more of that moisture. Just looking at damaging wind gusts with this system, but maybe a brief tornado cannot be ruled out, but it looks like a very low-end threat for that. Clear skies throughout most of our Saturday. Starting to see some low clouds now work their way in across Acadiana. Temperatures sitting in the lower 60s, but let's go ahead and time out tomorrow's weather. Throughout most of the night, we are dry, but you can see during the overnight, maybe 1 or 2 isolated showers beginning to develop, and you can see at 6 o'clock, a decent one beginning to develop, and it could be some of these out ahead of the main line. Again, that could be on the strong to severe side, so we'll have to watch some of these isolated rogue showers or storms that develop ahead of that frontal system. And you can see by 5, 6 o'clock we get some of those going. Main line, though, still out to the west at 6 o'clock. It'll begin to work into western portions of Acadiana up towards Alexandria by 8 o'clock. Again, could have a few isolated storms out ahead of the main front. That'll begin to make its way into Lafayette around 10 o'clock in the morning, pushing its way out to the east as we head closer to lunchtime and into the afternoon. So hopefully we can get these showers and storms through by the afternoon, so the egg celebration down in Abbeville can go on without a hitch tomorrow afternoon. Here's the RPM model kind of tracking out that system as it gets closer, and you can see it'll quickly be making its way through, and this is even a little faster now, beginning to push it into Alexandria, the Lake Charles by 7 o'clock. Again, very strong line with this, and that's what could produce those gusty winds up to maybe 60, 70 miles per hour. So if you have outdoor furniture, you might want to tie that down or bring it inside, as those gusty winds could maybe blow that around as we go through the early part of tomorrow morning. That then makes its way into Lafayette by 9. So I would say anywhere from 9 a.m. to 11 a.m. is when I expect us to see the line of showers and storms push through Lafayette. Again, it's a very narrow line, so the showers and storms will only last maybe an hour, 2 hours, bringing about a quick ½ inch of rain with it, and then it pushes off to the east. So you can see this system has it over towards Morgan City and towards New Orleans by about noon. So if it is fast like that, it does look like they should have no problems down at Abbeville with the giant omelet celebration getting started around 1:30 tomorrow afternoon. So get out there, maybe enjoy that on the backside, as we could have some clearing by tomorrow evening. High pressure builds in by Monday morning. That'll keep us with a mix of sun and clouds. Warm front lifts up, could bring a few isolated showers during the afternoon with a good bit of cloud cover. But you can see already our next front on the doorstep. That'll be heading as we push into about Monday evening. So we'll move this to our next slide, and hopefully we can see as that system begins to get closer to us. There we go. But ahead of that, we're going to have another low pressure that'll develop, and this is what could fire up a really good chance for some strong to severe weather, a decent chance for some tornado outbreaks up in that region as they're under enhanced risk. But you can see we're on the back end of this, and we're just going to mainly get the front as it pushes through, not looking at a whole lot with this, and even the latest models continue to back off the rain for us. Maybe just an isolated shower through the early morning. Most of it, though, out of here by Tuesday as we head into work, and then by Tuesday afternoon, another area of high pressure building in, bringing us mostly sunny skies. So it just looks like some low-end rain threats with maybe some gusty winds mixed in. But you can see for the rest of this evening into tomorrow morning, we are under a marginal risk, mainly damaging wind gusts, but a brief spin-up tornado cannot be ruled out. But this is just a 5% chance, so very low-end threat at that. And then heading into Monday night into Tuesday. You can see the better threat up towards the Memphis area, North Mississippi into West Tennessee. Slight chance across the northern portion of the state, but again, most of Acadiana under a marginal risk. But I wouldn't be surprised if this gets updated tomorrow with what the latest models are showing and move more of the severe weather threat up to the north. But clouds will be moving in this evening. 61 for the overnight low, so not as cool. Temperatures pretty much holding steady. And don't forget, daylight saving time ends tonight, so we fall back, gaining that extra hour of sleep as we'll go back from 2 back to 1. So don't forget to set your clocks back before you go to bed tonight. 75 tomorrow with those scattered showers in the morning. A few could be on the strong and severe side, maybe a few peaks of sun late in the day. Clearing out Monday, but another chance for rain Monday into early Tuesday. Tuesday and Wednesday look dry and warm. Another chance for some rain on Thursday into Friday, and then turning cooler behind at highs. Lower 60s, overnight lows down into the 40s.